Hi everyone, I hope you all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Cardano once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now, Cardano, we've got this beautiful low there, high low there, and then the other side we've got the low and the lower low. So that's called a hidden bullish divergence. And lo and behold, we did get a bounce. We ran into the 55. Okay, so we've got the 55 coming down as resistance, and we've got this level here as support. So if we start to coil up like this, essentially breaking out above, hold a support, you're going to get a continuation taking out that high. Now if you do start to close below this level of support, start hitting your head, that in itself could be really bearish, because you are losing the 55 EMA on the weekly, and at that point you're dragging this yellow line, which is 20, creating a death cross. If you start to create a death cross here for Cardano, it's game over. Basically you're entering a bear market for Cardano, but we're not in a bear market yet, because structurally you're sound, because you've got your higher high, you've got your low down here, and you're currently holding a lower low. So look, I know it's ugly, but you're holding higher highs and higher lows. Hold support and up she goes, with a hidden bullish divergence on the weekly time frame, with the stock in the floor as well. So you're looking at that beautiful impulsive wave to the upside. So Cardano is holding strong effectively, is what I'm trying to say to you. Okay, so let's take a look at a chart that we've been targeting for Cardano. So looking at Cardano on the 4-hourly time frame, then you can see I think we've traded most of this, haven't we? We've even traded this short here as well, after meeting this technical target of this bull pennant from there to there. You broke out and you met the technical target, look at that, like a boss, and then you've rolled. At this point I said to you, if you start to come down, you lose this low just there, you're in a technical break target to the 1618. I think that target's been met as well, from that impulsive high down to this low just there. So you can see it's come down to the 1618, target met, beautiful, and it's holding support right now. So what we're looking for here, which technically it doesn't look great, does it? But still, you've broken out here, you retrace into this points of contact. Each point of contact offers resistance, and so far it's conforming to that. Ran up, resistance, support, coiled up, a little bit overextended, come back to retrace, and now you're looking for another breakout here for Cardano. So we're looking for some kind of reversal pattern, okay, and some kind of swift move up to this kilo resistance, and you got your full retracement, and it was a beautiful long opportunity, 38% from when you broke out this descending triangle just there. Okay, so for me, Cardano is looking okay, because currently you've got that low, and this is a low, so you're making a higher low at the minute. You've come up, you made this high, so this is now your high that you need to tackle, because look, you're breaking out, you made a higher low. Right now you start to come out and break that high, you're making higher lows and higher highs essentially. When it's that resistance, come back, and again slowly but surely moving upstairs here for Cardano, breaking out essentially. So I'm trying to say to you, so we try and trade all these ranges as best as we can together, okay, on Bybit. Do set stop losses, obviously, always, but you can short and you can long, whatever you want to do, breakout points. Okay, so right now there is a potential little pattern here that is beginning to emerge for Cardano on the 4-hourly time frame. It's an ascending level of resistance, you see this, that Cardano's adhering to structurally at the moment. So it looks bad, but that's actually some kind of mini little inverse head and shoulders pattern that's potentially forming here for Cardano. So if we start to come up and break this key level resistance here, this trend line, okay, you'll be an impulsive break target, and the impulsive break target will be from there to there, and you can see wherever it is. That's why you got to come to your charts, okay, and draw this trend line, because once you break it, I would imagine you're looking at a beautiful little upside here for Cardano, and this is a tradable event. With that, you're looking at a beautiful little long up of around about 6.32%. But I do think you'll start to attack that high, and you start to break that, you're looking at a beautiful impulsive break, 24% long up. Once you break that key level resistance there, of this potential inverse head and shoulders, which is beginning to form here, and you'll be looking at retracement to 173. So I can't necessarily give you this break point, because you can see it's ascending. Okay, so it's changing all the time. So you could do something like this, where you start to retrace here, come down, but you create a higher low, and you essentially, look, you've got a bit of an ascending triangle and some kind of double bottom pattern like that. You break that resistance, boom, you're looking at a breakout target, and I would imagine you can come up, and with that, high, high low, high, retrace, do something like that for Cardano. Okay, so we'll trade all this together, come to your charts, draw this trend line. Once you start to break that, I think you'll be an impulsive break target to that minimal, and that will offer a fantastic little long up anyway. And again, from there to there, around about 6.67%. But I would imagine you're going to start to come up and attack that high. Take out that high, you're looking at impulsive break to this trend line here, and that's a full retracement to the falling wedge, which you broke out, back tested support, and you're slowly moving up the stairs towards it. And I did say that would happen. I did say it moves up impulsively and correctively. Okay, so you're holding support, low, lose this low, down you go. But there's no sign of that at the moment for Cardano, because it's technically moving upstairs and it's looking tighter. Take care everyone, back soon with another update on Cardano. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye everyone.